Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Do you love dosas? Well, here is a healthy twist to your regular dosas. We're going to make these yummy and crispy Jowar Dosas from scratch. So let's get started and check it out. For the Jowar Dosa, first we need to soak the ingredients. For this recipe, I've taken 250 ml of Jowar. Pour enough water, wash it nice and clean a couple of times. Once you've washed it, discard the water. Pour enough water and soak the jowar for about 6 hours. To another bowl, add half cup of Urad Dal. This is a 125 ml cup measurement. To this, add quarter cup of raw rice and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash the rice and dal a few times. Pour enough water and soak the rice and dal for about 6 hours. After 6 hours, transfer the soaked jowar to the mixer jar. We're going to grind this to a nice smooth batter. First, I'm going to grind it without adding any water. Gradually pour little water at a time and start grinding. So you can see I've ground the batter to a nice smooth consistency. Transfer the ground batter to a bowl. Transfer the soaked urad dal and rice to the mixer jar. Add little water at a time to get that nice smooth consistency and grind it to a nice smooth batter. Just mix it in intervals so it grinds well. If you have a tabletop grinder, you can also grind in that. Don't pour too much water as it can become very runny. So the batter is ground to a very nice and smooth consistency. Transfer the urad and rice batter to the same bowl as the jowar batter. Add about half teaspoon of salt. Mix both the batters well till it's all well combined. You can see the batter has come together so beautifully. We're going to let this ferment for about 8 hours, or you can leave it overnight. I've left it to ferment overnight. Jowar batter. Look at that batter. It's fermented so beautifully. If the batter feels a bit thick, you can just add a little water to dilute it to get a nice pouring consistency for the dosa. I'm also adding quarter teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix everything well. You can see the batter has come to a beautiful pouring consistency. It's not too runny or too thick. Let's start making the dosas. How do you like your dosas? Nice and crispy or soft and spongy? Let me know in the comment section. Heat a tawa. Make sure to maintain the flame on medium. Once the tawa is hot, pour a ladle of the prepared batter. Gently spread it around evenly. I'm adding a spoonful of ghee on the edges and in the center. Using a small brush, I'm gently going to brush it on all sides. This makes it spread evenly. Once it's cooked on one side and it's turned nice and crispy, gently flip it to the other side. Cook the dosa on both sides and you can enjoy this crispy Jowar dosa nice and hot. For those of you who love chutneys, we have a huge playlist of chutneys on our channel and I'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. So we've made these nice crispy golden Jowar dosas. Today I'm serving it with some nice fresh coconut chutney and tomato chutney by the side. Here you go, let's taste. super crispy and yummy, especially with this chutney combination. So tasty. So if you're looking for some nice healthy option for your dosas, well, here is a great recipe that you can try with Jowar. Make sure to follow all the steps and tips correctly to get that perfect batter. You can enjoy it with any chutney or sambar of your choice. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.